There's a calm surrender.
The shining star of our generation. Amazing without even trying. Astrid.
Figure out which side you're on.
And it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. Well, it's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. Oh Lord, and can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. Oh, it's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everything.
You have something I don't. Something none of us have. So, I'm going to stand by you. Come what may.
To the wild outdoors. When the heart is star-crossed Voyager beats in time with yours.
I'm the first Viking in who knows how long who wouldn't kill a dragon. First to ride one, though. What are you gonna do about it?
Yeah. Probably something stupid.
Well, you've already done that.
And something crazy.
That's more like it.
Can you feel the love tonight? 'Cause it is where we are. Yeah, it's enough for this
Go.
wide-eyed wanderer that we've got this far.
Hiccup!
Oh no. What'd I do this time?
Ow, that's for scaring me.
Okay, is it always gonna be like this? Cause
And that's for everything else.
you know, cause I could get used to that.
Yep. Turns out all we needed was a little more of this.
It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. Yeah.